3 apples with tax. It's probably coming to 650. We don't have to talk about it. Like, look at this. You can insert your headphones to initiate speech mode like that. So by accident, I left my Malta in the refrigerator and then I went home. But this right here saying the warranty done from 2021. I go, you can go ahead and sponsor me now. I have 2 bottles. 40 fee, call like $400. $19. It's expensive to the case. For the price.
Look at
Yeah, there's some other cards. Got that?
Look at one.
This carrier. So let's go.
It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you it's a war in the dots.
So we're in course and we need to get some stuff for the apartment. Say what? Yeah. So we're in course and we need to get some stuff for the apartment. Got a job offer and now it's time to look for appliances for this apartment that I have found in Ocho. So I found this one in here. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. It has a part here and a few firm. And then the base, I'm going to talk about this is how the base look. It's like cloth there, this one. And the wood, like, it's like it's covered, the wood is covered with cloth. And this one. So this is how it look. Sound is in course and I think it's so cool. It's an iron board on top, right? Alright, the second drink of the day is going to be mango dragon fruit. And this is so I had lunch from a very popular spot in Ocho. This is Papi Chulio. I think that's how the name is pronounced. And they do a really good beef pasta and their smoothies are pretty good. And this is my dog, the street dog. It's not my dog, but the street dog. Sometimes the job is not always where you want it to be, but you have to go for it regardless. So I'm a Kate Spade outlet girly and I bought some jewelry from Kate Spade. They normally have some pretty good jewelry and they last a very long time. So as the notes say, years, all years. So I got some earrings from them. They were pretty good. I really like the design. So let me show you how they're looking. But I have them for a while now. This was like from the ending part of last year, 2024, and I still have them. I haven't worn this pair just yet, but my Kate Spade earrings normally last a really long while. But these were pretty cute, very simple, very dainty, good for work, or if you're going like somewhere like a date night or something and you don't want to do too much. Kate Spade has some really gorgeous jewelry. Now let's go on to the next pair. Now the other pair is, they're a bit big. They're a bit big and blingy. I haven't worn them that much. I thought they would be a bit smaller, but they're really big. If you're looking for affordable jewelry, and they normally have a lot of sales, so if you're looking for affordable jewelry, you can definitely check out Kate Spade outlets online. They have really good prices and they're always having sales. Now let's get into the next box. I'm a tote bag girly right down. So when I got this present, this was a gift as well, and it was from Karl Lagerfeld, and their bags are absolutely beautiful. One thing I will say though, I had some slight problems with the leather that they use on the strap. Like, I don't know if they didn't treat it properly, but it's transferring a bit. So yeah, that was a bit concerning to me. But the box, the design of the box is cute, like really adorable. The tote bag, very sturdy, great quality canvas material. But my only problem is the leather being a bit transferable. So that was my problem. But there it is right there. It's a really cute bag. I love the design on it. If you look closely where the name is, his logo is also there as well. So yeah, it's a cute bag. Plus side, the inside of the bag is lined. There's a pocket with a zipper on the inside, and the magnetic clasp, it is really good. Like, you just need to put it close by and it snaps shut. And the name, of course, is on the inside and all of that. The bag is really, really, really good. I think my only problem, as I said before, was the transfer of color when it came on to the leather parts. I just think they did not treat the leather properly. But yes, this is the bag. It's really cute, really, really cute, really big. It holds everything that I needed to hold, like my laptop, my wallet, phone, chargers, everything that you... I like that. There's a buzzer on the corner shop. I really like that. Buzzer when you come here, yeah. Finding comfortable shoes is really hard to find in Jamaica. Good quality shoes is hard to find here in Jamaica, but Payless always have like a lot of options. I did not like the fact that inside of the shoes the sole was lifting up and it was just glue underneath, but when you need something quick on the go, Payless is where you can get it in Jamaica. So I had to buy a pair of shoes at Payless for work, and then I got some other pairs online from Amazon. But this is how the shoes is looking. It was cute, simple, and it could cover what I needed it to do for work. So yeah, I had originally bought those, the ones that you saw me in, but the heel, it was a bit hard to walk around in. The heel was a bit higher than what I can walk in, so it was a bit uncomfortable and I had to like give them away. But yes, so I finally made it out the house and we're going to run to Bashka real quick, and I'm walking on the back road. But we're going to go to Bashka real quick, and where else? People are talk. We're gonna go Bashka and to the supermarket to get some real quick and some food. Let's do this. So we are outside. Hopefully we can catch Bashka. I need a mop bucket and what's the menu for Bashka? I'm not bucket, but that's our main thing. So let's go. Alright, so we're back at Bashka. And we're trying to get a mop bucket. I won't lie, like if you're moving in Jamaica, you need somewhere to get like small appliances, anything that you need to get started with your apartment. Bashka has some really good prices and a lot of options, so I went to Bashka multiple times. So we need tissue, and what is this? 4 tissue pay, call it $400. $19. It's expensive to duplicate. It's expensive to duplicate. 2,000 add. Candidates. Where's the case? I see the Scott case, but I don't see the price. I don't see the price for it. And of course we got water. I cool. You can see. You can go ahead and sponsor your girl now. So there are 2 or no. And it's just because it's only I can manage only 2 at a time. I cool. You can go ahead and sponsor me now. I have 2 bottles. Now I need to buy tissue. Tissue. Is it that my math ain't mathing? Because 89, right? If I buy 3, each one of it 89. But if I buy the case over 378. When you calculate the 4, it'll come out to 359. But I guess with tax, it'll probably round up to the 378. Probably. The fact that cheesecake price has gone up just not sit well with me. The fact that cheesecake price has gone up just not sit well with me. Something about that just not sit well with me. Like what? So I want to know if this is making sense. Music is playing in the background, so I soon stop video. But this right here saying the warranty done from 2021. Yeah, there is so much in these stores in Jamaica. So I don't know if I did a video of it the other day, but oh my god, it's not coming up good on camera. I put some sugar in the porridge, right? But the other day the porridge is full up of flour and cornstarch. I mean, it's so annoyed. But today it looked much better. So I was in the Scotia Bank and I really want to talk about it. Like, look at this. You can insert your headphones to initiate speech mode. Like, that's pretty cool. Really cool. Yeah. Okay, bye. Another tip for young Jamaicans living on their own, you can shop in bulk at Rainforest Seafood. Like, they normally have a lot of specials. The prices are really good and you get a variety of stuff that you can stretch across a month, across 2 months. So yes, this is a special that we're having, and I got fish, mutton, shrimp, corn, and some other things. The joy of being an adult and working your own money, you can have pizza on a random day at work for lunch. So that's good. But anyways, this is life back in Ocho. Alright, so I got 3 apples today, or 2 apples today. The market, $100 for one. In here, 3 apples. Good tax, it probably comes to 650. That is wild. I got 1 kiwi for 200. In here, I mean about the same price, guys. So 600 and something, like you get 3 kiwi plus tax, probably like 670. Oh, okay, strawberry. I can imagine it being ridiculous. 1,350. That's just wild. Alright, let me go. So I bought some sweet pepper, $300 for half pound in the market. In here, $950. And this is about $360 about what? Anyways. So by accident I left my Malta in the refrigerator and then I went home and this happened. Listen, I was so worried that the entire freezer was going to explode, but this is not too bad. Let me just clean it up. Just clean it up. And it was one Malta and I only bought 1 Malta. And this happened to it. Shit.